My name is Keith Hardwick, owner operator of Sizzlin Smoke. Started when I was 15 as a dishwasher. Worked my way up to line cook. Worked my way up to kitchen manager, to the head chef. So about 16 years. I've been working in the food industry for the past 16 years. The enjoyment, when people eat, it brings them joy. So my passion is to make you happy. Through food, that's the way I'm gonna make people happy, through my food. I think my biggest investment I can make would be inside myself. So why not believe and invest in myself to give the world joy, which is through my food. I have tacos, we have hamburgers, we're gonna have like seasonal food as well. When it's colder outside, chilies and soup. When it's warm outside, maybe sandwiches. So it's gonna be a variation of foods. Because, well, if you're in a food truck, you're outside, you're not inside. So if you're standing outside, you're gonna be cold, it's gonna be raining, or it's gonna be hot. So I'm adapting my menu to the changes of the weather through the seasons. I love to do this. This is what I do. And I think you can taste that. Taste the passion, taste the love, Like, a lot of people they do it just to do it, but I do it because I like to do it.